Facebook's 2025 update allows you to customize your navigation bar for faster access to Marketplace. Let's explore how to pin Marketplace on both mobile and desktop platforms. The first method on mobile uses the Settings menu. Start by opening the Facebook app and tapping the hamburger menu, those three horizontal lines. Next, scroll down and tap Settings and Privacy, then tap Settings. You'll see various options for customizing your Facebook experience. Now select Media and Contacts, then Navigation Bar. Here you can toggle on Marketplace and even drag to reorder its position in your navigation. The second method is even faster. Simply long press on the navigation bar at the bottom of your Facebook app. Select Customize Navigation, then simply drag the Marketplace icon to your desired position in the bottom navigation bar. This method gives you instant visual feedback. On desktop, the process is straightforward. Log into Facebook on your web browser and look for the See More option in the left sidebar. Hover over Marketplace and you'll see a pin icon appear. Click it, and Marketplace will be added to your main left navigation panel where you can reorder it as needed. Now you have 3 ways to pin Facebook Marketplace for quick access. Choose the method that works best for your device and workflow. Your customized navigation will sync across your devices for a consistent experience. Pinning Facebook Marketplace to your navigation bar offers significant benefits beyond just convenience. Research shows that users who have quick access to Marketplace demonstrate dramatically increased engagement with the platform. If you're having trouble finding the pin option for Marketplace, the most common solution is to update your Facebook app to the latest version. Make sure you have version 450.0 or higher for mobile devices. If your changes aren't saving properly, try clearing your app cache and restarting the Facebook app. This resolves most navigation customization issues. The optimal position for your Marketplace pin depends on how you use Facebook. For casual browsers who occasionally check listings, positioning Marketplace after your main feed works well and feels natural in your browsing flow. However, if you're an active seller who frequently posts items and responds to inquiries, position Marketplace first or second in your navigation bar. This maximizes efficiency and helps you respond to potential buyers more quickly. Before you start actively using your pinned Marketplace access, it's crucial to set up proper security measures. Enable two-factor authentication to protect your account, especially since you'll be handling financial transactions. Additionally, review your privacy settings to control who can see your Marketplace activity and listings. Adjust your visibility preferences and regularly audit any saved payment methods that are accessible through your quick navigation setup. By following these tips and implementing proper security measures, you'll maximize the benefits of your pinned Marketplace access while keeping your account safe and your transactions secure.